Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaggy Crochet. Today I am bringing for you a very beautiful collection of granny square crochet ideas. I hope you like my video, my patterns and styles of crochet outfits. I hope these patterns and designs of crochet are very useful for you. The color combinations, the styles of granny square with light and dark shades are amazing. I tried my best to give you a very useful and informative content. Please support my channel, like my videos, comment on videos for appreciating if you liked, and also click on bell icon for further videos and further crochet outfits. Please subscribe my channel and be a part of my beautiful community of crochet crafts. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Be happy and healthy.